You never know with me.
Like, bro, this is amazing. This.
Oh my god. It's London, baby.
Hello from London.
We have made it after a 2-hour long journey. It's really chilly over here. But now on our way for some nice lunch, and then after that we've got a whole day planned, so I'm gonna take you along. It's a 3-day trip, so it's like short and sweet. So it's been a year to this, so we've just come here to celebrate our 1-year proposal. We're gonna go to Winter
We are
Wonderland.
going to go to the same place, same time, do the same thing we did 1 year ago, and yeah, just live in the moment.
Yay! We have made it to our spot for the day. It's called Belt Noodles. They're known for the longest noodles in London. So let's see.
Yeah, that's their signature noodles.
Yeah.
I'm so excited to have this one.
And the food is here. I've got my potatoes, Akhil's got his meat. We've got tofu, he's got his chicken, we've got beer, we've got coke, and we're all set to eat and enjoy this meal. I'm waiting for my noodles to come in. So let's see. We've got the longest belt noodle in UK over here. Can you show us how long that is, Akhil?
Yeah.
Akhil's it's all broken now, but oh my god, that's insane.
So yeah, I'm actually really tired.
Love it. We just had the most fulfilling meal, and we are so full. And you can see my gloves are on because it's freezing. But it's time to go to our hotel now. We've been roaming with our bags. So we're gonna go to our Airbnb now. It's in Wembley Park, so we have to take a tube. And yeah, then we're gonna come back tonight for the lights and enjoy Birmingham. And I know whole of UK is same, but London is not the same. Trust
It is
me.
not the same.
The vibe in London is always different. If you see this, just see this part. Like all these lights you can see on the top are gonna get lit at night. They're not lit yet. The amount of people on the roads over here is mad. Also, London is super unsafe, so I'm so conscious with my phone all the time. Sorry. I might give a room tour, I might not. You never know with me. Do you think I'll give a room tour?
Room tour. Yes, we can give one.
No. Do you think मैं दूंगी?
No. She's a lazy vlogger.
Very lazy vlogger. Mummy, daddy keep telling me vlog more, show more. But I'm a lazy vlogger. How do I do it?
The sound of London.
The sound of London. Tap and go. Tap and go. Yay!
It is so busy. I think the amount of people visit London in December is equal to the whole year.
I
Because
agree.
London is so busy in December. But
Also walk on the right.
yeah,
Let me come up.
there's no.
So you need to stand on the right hand side. It says over there as well. Because everyone can walk from the left hand side if they're getting delayed. We've made it to our stop. So normally at all the stations they've written down all the stops that are going to come in. We have to take this train. I think our tube is here as well. That's right.
Mind the gap, please.
We've made it to our tube. We just have to sit 2 stops, so it's chill. And we have made it to Wembley. This is a very special place for us. We really like living in Wembley Park whenever we're in
Wembley Park. Please
Wembley
specify.
Park. Wembley Park, not Wembley Central, but yeah, Wembley Park is really nice to live in. Like the cafe is downstairs, the area is nice.
The view
It's-
to Wembley Stadium.
Yes, and it holds really nice memories with a lot of our friends who lived in London. So yeah.
They
this is my fit for the day. I wanted to go for the fur coat vibe. Come in central London, we have made to this really pretty pub that's decorated near Notting Hill. White wine.
And a Guinness.
I always have white wine with a straw because I can't trust how well the glasses have been washed.
You
So-
can't trust pubs.
I just feel like when should I put down my camera and when should I pick it up? We're actually on our way to get some pizza now. I really wanted to have some nice pizza before we see all the lights, and we're just walking the streets. It's so busy.
It is so busy and so beautiful. Camera does not do justice.
Yeah, this is not doing. If you're watching this right now on YouTube, this is your sign to come to London next year and watch the December lights because it's beautiful. It's magical. Apparently, the people who own the store went on a road trip to Italy, all over Italy, to find the best pizza. And trust me, it is the best pizza in the world. Like,
Oh, this is the only pizza place, and then there are like Foxter is the best place. I've been to London a few times, but this place I wasn't aware.
I had one of the most fulfilling meal. I am so happy. Where now we've just gotten out of Carnaby Wharf. Oh, no, Carnaby Street. Sorry. Too pretty, and the plan of action right now is to get some nice hot chocolate.
Bro, I suggest we should go to Italian Bear Chocolate. It's like the best hot chocolate in the world. I think we should go there.
Yeah, they do 3 kinds of hot chocolate. I think one's like the milk one, the dark one, and like a hazelnut flavor. Hot chocolate machine is not working, so we haven't got a hot chocolate yet. But
It's not far.
the journey continues.
It's about 10 minutes walk from here.
10 minutes walk from here is the next place. It's a franchise of the same place. Okay. Guys, I'm obsessed. We got one more free hot chocolate. She was so nice over there. She just
She was very nice. So we got in, we told her our whole journey and the struggle to find a hot chocolate, and we had like a bit of a chat. And then once she was ready with the order, she's like, "Oh, get one on the house, etc., etc." And we were like, "Bro, this is amazing. This is so good." And we have got one for each, and I'm so.
If
so
you're
happy.
ever looking for hot chocolate in London, go for the Italian Bear hot chocolate. They've got the best hot chocolate. Oh my god!
Et que j'arrive, ça regarde de travers, capuché parce que je suis trop cramé. J'avance avec l'équipe armée, je m'organise comme si je mourrais jamais. Mon amour jouait, rentre tard, effrayé que le ciel fait noir. Ils font tous des petits pas, dès qu'ils aperçoivent la guitare.
Yeah?
Tiffany and Coke, no light.
Do you wanna party? Listen to your body. Come on, everybody. Da la baby, na 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 na. Oh, 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 oh.
You see that?
I will conclude day 1 in London watching the amazing Christmas lights. I'll see you all tomorrow. Bye.
See you tomorrow.
I'm ready for the day. I've worn like 10 yesterday. Good morning. We have made it to Chinatown.
This is day 2 and we are at Chinatown.
This is day 2 and we are at Chinatown. आपका वाला पार्ट कट कर दूंगी.
But are going to a Japanese restaurant in Chinatown. That's strange, but it's quite highly recommended by people of London.
It's called Hayaki. It's in Chinatown. We've got off at Leicester Square, and let's see. I'm excited to have some sushi. I love having sushi nowadays. If you're looking for like a casino vibe as well, I think I would recommend Chinatown, so that you can come and like go by the casinos. He's just there. That's Hayaki. Akhil's cousin is also coming over here, so we'll all chill.
Place looks really nice. And it is right in
We have made it to Covent Garden now after our meal at Hayaki. We had one hell of an experience at Hayaki. I will tell you more later. But over there, that's the pub we sat after our proposal last year.
Chris is a circus performer. Chris, ready to begin a show. There you go. See how much nicer that is. Alright, so guys, let's start off. I'm just going to start.
Yay!
Listen, I appreciate so
Which one did you get?
Old Mount Fresh Berries Cider. This is the Outnet experience in London, exactly outside Tottenham Court Road. Every time they have this pop-up that has different displays that brands can promote, and this is it. Insane बनाते हैं. The most magical thing that we find in UK. Winter Wonderland. This is really a wonderland. This is not your normal mela. This is stunning, beautiful.
Bro, I love Winter Wonderland.
I love Winter Wonderland. It makes me feel magical every single year. And I'm so glad that my proposal was here because
But from this side, the very end, we need to go to this side. That's
we've
gonna
lost.
be. That's gonna be.
We've
towards
lost our way in Winter Wonderland. We've come to the kids area. There's this place called 90s Ki Party. So you can sing, dance, have
that.
chips
You
over
behind
here.
us.
We'll go inside. Some fries, spiced rum, beer. Out from Winter Wonderland, and we'll probably go to the Tower Bridge.
Yeah.
Chill, relax. So we'll see you there. I
It's
think
been great to be at Winter Wonderland. Like, I want to come here every year,
and relive this.
relive the moment, and have and create more memories.
Yes.
Thank you
Thank
so much.
you.
Have a good day. Thinking about churros for the whole time.
Akhil's
And this
would
is-
turn into a caveman because it's too cold.
I don't know if you can see it, but it's very cold, and I really wanted to do this because this covers my ears.
Churros
But
by
listen to me,
Tower
I'm covering my
Bridge.
ears. And also very famously known as London Bridge, but this is the real one.
Guys, I don't know if you can see that building. That's the tallest building in United Kingdom. It's called the Shard, and that's where my London office is based. Sometimes I just feel like I'm so grateful as a person who just came to UK. As a student, I had never ever thought that that building that everyone clicks a picture with will be my London office. So one day I'll come to the London office. It's a plan, it's a making, and I'll vlog that day as well. So thank you so much for watching this vlog, and I hope you enjoyed London with me, and I'll see you in my next vlog.
With us. I am
With
right
us.
here with us. So thank you so much for being with us. We will try to continue this vlogging and show you all our life in the UK. But stay tuned. We have planned more stuff. So it's gonna keep coming.
And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See
Let's
you.
support Simi. Bye.